All right, welcome back to Cause and Effect Day 3. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to talk about our learning objectives. Today we are going to identify cause and effect relationships, and I will identify how one cause can have multiple effects and how multiple causes can result in one effect. The results of our actions. Cause and effect relationships impact everyone. And as you read in the article yesterday, Thanos' actions really had an effect on the people around him, and it can have an effect on our ecosystem as well. So let's review the questions from the 7thELA article. Number 1, according to a hit to the gut, how does a microbiome help humans? Well, if he had snapped his fingers, if you remember from the article, it would cut out half of the bacteria, the insects, and all the living organisms. So it can actually have an effect on us as well. So that's where the hit in the gut section came from, and it keeps the gut and immune system healthy. For number 2, what effect do insects have on the environment? They clean up dead material and pollinate plants. If you chose that answer, then you are correct. Number 3, the article is mostly organized using cause and effect. What do you think the authors chose to organize the information this way? Well, it goes back to author's purpose, to describe the possible real-life outcomes of a decision that was made in a popular movie. Number 4, how is the structure of the section A Hit to the Gut similar of the structure of the section Environmental Concerns Without Insects? Both sections present possible effects of the loss of half of all the life on Earth. So, Thanos snapped his fingers, half the living organisms disappeared, lack of insects would slow the reproduction of plant life, and smaller animals would have the ability to take over because larger animals reproduce slowly, which is, again, a little fact I did not know. So, please remember, the cause is the action, Thanos snaps. The effects are the results of the action. Half the living things disappear. Now for today's assignment, I would like for you to click on the cause and effect quizzes, and I'll show you how to do that. You click on this hyperlink right here, cause and effect quizzes. If you are not logged in, you can log in, and I can show you. Let me log out. You go to log in with Google. Again, this is another Google login. And I lost it, so I'm gonna have to go back to the slideshow. But there you go, cause and effect text structure. You can do the solo practice, which is a green button, and that will help you to practice your cause and effect relationships. And that is all for today. See you tomorrow.